umuntu ngabantu. Yeah.
What did you?
Don't know so can do any challenge. Ga challenge. On the ga.
My blazer, my blazer, do my blazer.
Hey.
Me, I like things. Me, I like things. Whether I like it or not, I like things.
They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, whoa. They're gonna be, yeah.
And we back with another video. It's your boy Kayzano, and today, as you can see, guys, I've got a very special guest,
Mama Kayz.
Hey, yeah. So this is my mom, guys. If you didn't see her in the last video, she was at the end of the video. As the fans requested, she just had to hop onto the reaction video. So we're gonna be reacting to her favorite artist in Zim.
Yeah.
Favorite artist in Zim, Jah Prayzah. Without further ado, we're gonna be reacting to like 3 of his songs. So the first one is gonna be Mukwasha. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to 5K as soon as possible. Can we get to 5K?
Yes, we can.
5K. So, I mean, my mom said 5K, guys. So we just have to get to 5K.
That's right.
Hey yo! Without further ado, let's get straight to it.
Yes, sir.
Ibanga iruru, ibanga iruru.
But this is getting.
Ndozunoitika.
Huh? Still to this day.
Yes. That is our tradition.
Kukana wasingatomboziziyo sinokura uchidisa zvinda.
Aiwa, it's assumed that kuvanhu kwawakabva wakadzidziswa chivanhu. Ndo chinonzi chivanhu ichocho kuti Mukwasha anokwazisa akapfugama nebviri nechete.
Izvo.
Mutupo ichimhoroswa nayo, ichimutswa nayo munhu mangwanani.
Ainzvangu ndigona ngostika ndasvika because hatizizive.
Zvakudependa kama zvano people are modern, some of them don't practice that, but it's some of the tradition is kept and is expected.
So if this doesn't happen, unokwanisa kutorapa?
Zvakudependa nevanhu nemhuri yacho kuti vanovalue the tradition say. Vamwe they are modern, saka they will expect anything or they might not expect that.
Uchavia, uchapura nyemba, uchadzura nzimbudzia, ende baba vati vanoda matorofia, wotomhanya musango Mukwasha. Pane yandibira pombi yemvura, kana zondo rangu randamvura, vanhu vese vachibvunza Mukwasha. Pakati pevanhu vese varipo, ndiani watigarira kumhepo, jakungonzi Mukwasha.
Ambuya is protective of Mukwasha wake.
Why is it always that case?
Kuti
Ambuya don't protect her. That is just a situation.
It's possibly a situation, or ambuya nemkwasha vanowirirana in terms of kuti mkwasha pamwe mabatiro anoita mwana wake anofadza mwana wake, saka the mother is happy kuti mwana wangu akachengetedzwa, mwana wangu ari kuchengetwa zvakanaka. Yeah.
Shonapura nikutamu ingada kubatira ikwaya ndikamora mkoko wangu usina masana sherio yamakandipa imenya imwana inyanga shikare mandoita narutsa malema sherio yamakandipa imenya imwana inyanga shikare mandoita narutsa malema Kwasha chongwe muchamanya naro kusvikira maribata madzimbo yabuda sago ari makaka changamire vati vanoda hari mkwasha zino rakaura muchando rinopanda ndina mari yekudzurisa kane mkwasha vakatemanyora kare neimwe namba vati zvara vakunari vanodzikaka tungamira mumbeti rime mkwasha azambenifambane zemurada nauradidze
Saka zvese zvofana kuita paunoenda
No, not zvese. You know what? Out of respect, kana masvika kuine maduties akadaro kuti ari kuitwa, you can do. Or some people vanosendisa mari dzavo.
begi
Saka unongwa kutsvaga munhu anokuitira, but you also need to be seen doing here and there. Hauzongoti hauzongochila wakagara mumota and vamwe vari uku.
Manda kuchila ndo kuripo.
Aiwa hazvizoitiki unhu, because now it will come back and say your mother never raised you well.
Right, papa.
Tibatire foro tirime mkwasha azambenifambane kutagura dandana kuti mkwasha azambenifambane zvondakura nekutamu ingada kubatira ikwaya ndikamora mgogo wangu ushe usina masana zvondakura nekutamu ingada kubatira ikwaya ndikamora mgogo wangu ushe usina masana sherio yamakandipa imenya mwana nyangwe zvikare mandoita narutsa malema sherio yamakandipa imenya mwana nyangwe zvikare mandoita narutsa malema
So what do you think of the video?
No, it portrays culture yechivanhu. So Mukwasha is expected to do a number of things at family gatherings or whenever he visits the family. So apangoratidza
But I think Zvakuita Shipira, man. It's not being done as much.
Yeah.
Or is it just my point of view?
Yeah, I think imimi ma born free imimi. My 90s babies ndimi makuda kurasa chivanhu. Yeah, it might not be your own problem, and it could be from isusu mabereki wenyu kuti we haven't been teaching you the ways of our culture. So it's two-way. You can be taught, but you don't want to follow, or you might not have been taught. But culture is culture. Sometimes pane painodikanwa and you have to do what is, because umuntu ngabantu. Yeah, umuntu ngabantu. You are there because of people, of other people. So you hear kuti a child in the community is not raised by their parents only, but the whole community raises a child. Because kana mwana kanganisa, your neighbor can talk to them or reprimand them. So no culture you are abantu.
Alright, so guys, that's the end of the reaction, and yeah, I learned a lot from this lecture, I guess. I don't know, you can't say it was a reaction, that was it was a lecture. So please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. If you want to see more of my mom, please comment down below. Yes sir.
Yes.
Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, Sash, look, good vibes, energy. I don't live what they say, get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They gon' be calling my name, hey. They gon' be calling my name, hey. They gon' be calling my name, whoa. They gon' be, yeah.